Good morning, dear students. Today we will learn to find percentage of a number. So, let us start. Question 1. Find 45% of 350 kg. Students, in this question we have given quantity, which is 350 kg. And what we have to find? We have to find 45% of 350 kg. Means 350 kg का 45% कितना होगा? Students, अगर आपको 350 kg का 50% फाइंड करना हो तो आप इसे बहुत ही इजीली बता देते हैं, क्योंकि 350 का जो हाफ है वही उसका 50% होगा. But here in this question we have to find 45% of 350 kg. So let's start solving. Here we have to find 45% of 350 kg. Students, firstly we convert the given percentage, which is 45%, into fraction. So let's write 45% into a fraction. So 45 upon 100, because we know that percent means 1 upon 100. So we write 100, and in the place of we write multiply, and then we write 350 kg. Now let us reduce it. So 0 से 0 reduce हो जाएगा. Now here we have 45 upon 10 into 35. Students, 45, 35 and 10, all these numbers are multiple of 5. So we can reduce it by 5. So 5 9s are 45 and 5 2s are 10. So here we have 9 into 35 upon 2. Here 9 multiplied by 35, we get 315 upon 2. Now let us divide 315 by 2. Students, here divisor is 1 digit, so we start with 1 digit. As we know, 2 is smaller than 3. So 2 goes into 3 how many times? Correct, it's 1 time. 2 ones are 2. Now let us subtract. 3 minus 2, we get 1. And here 1 is less than 2. Now we bring down next digit, which is 1. And 2 goes into 11 5 times, because 6 time में ये 11 से big हो जाएगा. So we divide 5 times. 2 5s are 10. Now 11 minus 10, we get 1. Let's bring down the next digit, which is 5. And 2 goes into 15 how many times? It's 7 times. So 2 7s are 14. Now let us subtract. 15 minus 14, we get 1. Now here we don't have any digit to bring down, so we will put decimal point in quotient, and we put 10 in front of the remainder. Now 2 goes into 10 5 times. 2 5s are 10, and the remainder is 0. So the answer is 157.5 kg. Thus 45% of 350 kg is 157.5 kg. Question 2. What percentage is 4 months of a year? Students, in this question, time के units same नहीं है. Here we have to find the percentage of 4 months of a year. So, as we know, 1 year is equal to 12 months. Students, as we have already learned in our previous class कि जब हमें small unit को big unit में convert करना होता है तो हम divide करते हैं, और जब big unit को small unit में convert करते हैं तो हम multiply करते हैं. So, in this question, we have to find percentage of 4 months of a year. यानी कि small unit को big unit में convert करना है तो यहाँ पर भी क्या होगा? Divide होगा. और 1 year में 12 months होते हैं. So here we write 4 upon 12. Percentage find करना है. So we write 100 and then we put symbol of percentage. Now let us reduce. 4 ones are 4. 4 threes are 12. So here we have 100 upon 3. Now let us divide 100 by 3. So 3 threes are 9. 10 minus 9 we get 1. Now let us bring down the next digit, which is 0. Now again it will go 3 times. So 3 3s are 9. And then 10 minus 9 we get 1. Now we don't have any digit to bring down. So we put decimal point and we write 0 in front of remainder. Now again it will go 3 times. 3 3s are 9. 10 minus 9 we get 1. Students, as I told you in previous video कि जब हम डेसिमल पॉइंट क्वेश्चन में लगा देते हैं तो हम हर बार एक 0 बढ़ा सकते हैं रिमाइंडर के आगे. So here we have 10. Now again it will go 3 times. So 3 3s are 9. 10 minus 9 we get 1. Students, अब हम यहाँ पे रुक जाएंगे बिकॉज अगर हम इसे मल्टीप्लाई करते रहेंगे तो हर बार हमें यही सेम नंबर मिलता रहेगा. So the answer is 33.33%. So the answer is 33.33%. Now let us see the next question. Question third. What percentage is 75 paise of a rupees? Students, in this question we have to find 75% of a rupee. Students, as we know, 1 rupees is equal to 100 paise. So 1 rupees का 75% कितना होगा? So let's start solving it. Now here we write 75 upon 100 because we know that कि 1 rupees में 100 पैसे होते हैं and we have to find percentage, so we multiply by 100 and then we put the symbol of percentage. Now let us reduce. 100 से 100 reduce हो जाएगा तो क्या बचेगा यहाँ पे? 75%. Thus the answer is 75%. Take one more example. What percentage is 250 meter of 1 kilometer? Students, as we know, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So let's start solving. 250 upon 1000 because 1 kilometer में 1000 meter होते हैं and then we multiply by 100 because we are finding the percentage and then we put symbol of percentage. Now let us reduce. Students, यहाँ पे 0 से 0 reduce हो जाएगा. So what is left here? 25%. Thus the answer is 25%. So students, this is how you can find out the percentage of a given number. I hope your concept is clear. Now it's practice time and your questions are here. So pause your video and please solve it. And we'll meet in next video. Till then, thank you. Bye-bye. Take care.